As you probably already know by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be doing something pretty cool in this video. As you can see, I don't have a cameraman, so we're gonna build one. Let's go! So I kind of made like these designs, so just for the rotation, it will have a servo on a servo for pan and tilt, and it will sense your face, so if it's at like the top right, for instance, then it will see it in the program, and the servos will move it to the left and down, which will make it centered. So let's get building. Okay, after some work and a few tutorials to get started, I finished this program where it will detect my face and then draw a box around it. So let's see if it works. Alright, we have the program open and all we need to do is hit detect. Alright, so it shows my face and great, it shows a box around it. That's awesome. Wait. What the heck? Was there a box in my closet? Oh hey, how are you doing? What the hell? What are you doing in my closet? Oh, I was just here to tell you about the sponsor of this video, Raid Shadow Legends. It's the game where you can raid with Shadow Legends. It's so much fun, and all you need is your phone. Throw out your Nintendo Switch, your PS4, your Xbox. You don't need those. You don't even need your PC. Throw it out the window. All you need is your mobile phone, and you can play Raid Shadow Legends. You can play it for days. You can play it for years. All you need is your phone and a charger. Get back in the closet. Oh, okay, jeez, man, sorry. After whatever that was, I got the program working to move servos when it sees my face off-center. Okay, so now if I show the picture of the man to the face detector, these servos should start spinning. So let's see. It sees the picture of the man, and the servo starts spinning. This is good. So this one is for up and down, so if it's too far up, this one will spin. And if it's too far to the left or right, this one will spin. When we attach everything together, there is one small problem. This is very unbalanced, which is why I came up with a solution. Drum roll, please. We use a fidget spinner. So I did some hand weight measurement stuff, and the camera and the fidget spinner feel about the same. So if I rubber band the fidget spinner onto the servo, then it should even out the weight on both sides and be pretty good. Okay, now with the fidget spinner on one side and the webcam on the other side, it is pretty well balanced. So let's do a test. Okay, so with the program and the device in place and a picture of a man, when I hold the servo in place just to make sure it doesn't fall over and spin out of control, we should have the device following. Okay, great. So it's doing some pretty good centering. It is very, very good right now. Very accurate.
2 weeks later.
So somebody already made this product, nothing we can do, so I guess we're just gonna end the creation of this product here, because there's really no point. I mean, we could have 3D printed all this stuff, made it really cool, but if it's already made, like, whatever. I mean, we made the prototype, so that's all that matters.
What do you mean that's all that matters? You promised us millions.
Well, someone already made it. There's nothing I can do about that.
Well, we need the millions. You promised.
Okay, just give me a few months, and we can work something out. Come on, please.
You better subscribe now or you're next. Oh, you didn't subscribe yet? Oh, we're on your radio. We're coming to you right now. You better subscribe!